Hi, welcome to a new section which is basically hints and tips and tricks and things that you could do with AutoCAD. Let me just put our standard background up, which is the AutoCAD program itself, and I'll explain why I decided to do this. Now, with most things relative to why you would want to watch a video, what purpose is there of watching it? Do I really want to go and watch the film down the local cinema? It's really a matter of cost versus reward. And basically, I know that I'm definitely know that I'm not getting paid for doing these videos, and you don't have to pay to actually watch these videos. So the cost that's actually incurred during this is your time. And for most people, that is a very valuable commodity, your actual time itself. Now, most of my lessons or exercises that I do at college, they can be 15, 20, 25 minutes in length. And it's the reason why that I've actually started breaking those up so they maximize. The maximum length you'll get is around about the 15-minute mark. And I don't really like go in any more than that. Now, as far as a tip or a trick or something like that, I'm going to try to keep that time down, way down. I mean, I can probably get that thing done in 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I think my first one was 4 minutes. So, yeah, I'm very aware that your time is valuable. So, I decided to put these short, sharp tips and tricks into something that you could search and hopefully it would help. Okay? Catch you on the next one. Bye.